This is grade 4, Go Math. Go Math, grade 4, unit 2, multiply by one digit. This is lesson 2.11, multiply 3-digit and 4-digit numbers with regrouping. All right, boys and girls, what we are going to do is I am going to cross this page out. Okay, so I am going to show you how to do this by doing it the old-fashioned way and by partial product, okay? So let's look the old-fashioned way. Excuse me. 7 times 3 is 21. I carry the 2. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2 is 20. I carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. My answer is 1,701. Doing that the old-fashioned way. Now, let's look at partial product. 500 times 3 is 1,500. 3 times 500. 60 times 3 is 180. I have the 60 here. Multiply it by the 3, 180. 7 times 3 is 21. If I add that up, I get a 1. I get a 10. Come over here, 5, 6, 7, carry down the 1, 1,701. All right, not hard at all, is it? All right, so now let's look at a 4-digit by 1-digit. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. Let me grab this, hold on. 7 times 4 is 28, put my 8, carry my 2. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 8. Carry my 1. 4 times 12, I'm sorry, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Carry my 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So my answer is 5,388. Now, let's look at it using partial product. 4 times 1,000 is 4,000. 4 times 300 is 1,200. 4 times 40 is 160. 4 times 7 is 28. Now let's add it up. We have an 8. 0, 0, 0, 8. 6 and 2 is 8. Okay. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. So my answer is 5,388. Both ways, either way I do it, the answer is the same. So when you do these problems today, you can do it either way. You can do it using the old-fashioned way, or you can use partial product. All right, boys and girls, make sure you're on page 126. Let's look at the example. It says use an estimate or an exact amount. The table shows the prices of 3 vacation packages. Jake and his parents and his sister want to choose a package, and here are the packages. It says about how much would package C cost Jake's family? Well, estimate the cost for 2 adults. Okay, 2 times 699. 699 is close to 700, so it would be about $1,400. Estimate the cost of 2 children. Well, 2 children are $484. 484 is close to 500, so it'd be $1,000. Now add the estimate. 1,400 plus 1,000 is 24. So it says about how much would the package C cost? It would be about $2,400. Now, so package C would cost Jake's family about $2,400. So now it says Jake's family wants to compare the total cost of package A and C. Which plans cost more? How much does it cost? Well, 2 adults for package A is $1,299. I multiply that by 2. I get $2,598. Children are $619 times 2. That's $1,238. So if I add the 2 together, I get $3,836 for package A. Package C. Adults are $699 times 2 is $1,398. Children are $484 times 2 is $968. I add them together, I get $2,366. So now I need to subtract the two. $3,836 subtract $2,366 equals $1,470. So package A would cost $1,470 more than package C. Boys and girls, let's see what you can do with this page on your own. I want you to do this page on your own, so you're going to stop the video. You're going to work the work out in your workbook, and then you're going to come back and you're going to check your answers. Remember, I don't care if you do the multiplication the old-fashioned way, what I call it, or the partial product. I don't care which way you do it, but go ahead and work all of these problems out on this page, and then come back and check your answers. All right, so let's look at this page. It says, tell what is happening in step 1, right here in step 1. Well, you are multiplying 6 times 4 ones, which equals 24 ones. You're going to regroup the 24 as 4 ones and 2 tens, and that is what is happening in step 1. It says estimate, then find the product. Estimate. Well, 603 is closer to 600 than 700. 600 times 4 is 2400. When I multiplied this out, I got 2,412. Boys and girls, if you are not getting any of these answers correct, you're going to need to go back and look at what you did, or you need to talk to your parent, or you need to contact me if you're in my class, okay? Estimate 1,935 is closer to 2,000 than it is 1,000. So 2,000 times 7 is 14,000. When I multiply this out, I get 1,300 or 13,545. Let's look at this. 8,326 is closer to 8,000 than it is 9,000. So 8,000 times 5 is 40,000. When I multiply this out, I get $41,630. All right, let's go down here. Estimate again. 3,316 is closer to 3,000 than 4,000. 3,000 times 8 is 24,000. When I multiply this out, I get 26,528. Again, 2,900 is closer to 3,000. 3,000 times 7 is 21,000. When I multiply this out, I get 20,300. Okay, 4,123 is closer to 4,000 than 5,000. So 4,000 times 6 is 24,000. When I multiply all of this out, I get 24,736. If you got any of these wrong, you need to go back and rework it to see what you did wrong, okay? All right, let's go here. It says Mr. Jackson has $5,400 to buy supplies for the school computer lab. He buys 8 boxes of printer ink that cost $149 each and 3 printers that cost $1,017 each. How much money will Mr. Jackson have left after he buys the printer ink and printers? Well, you're going to say 8 times 149, and then you're going to say 3 times 1,017. All right, you're going to subtract the 2, and you're going to come up with this answer, $1,157. If you didn't, you need to go back and do the problem again. All right. Practice, copy, and solve. All right, 5 times 352 is equal to 4 times 440. Okay. 740 times 7 is less than 8 times 658. 6 times 8,167 is less than 9,834 times 5. 4 times 3,645 is more than 5 times 2,834. 3,956 times 4 is less than 5 times 7,692. 6,573 times 2 is more than 4,365 times 3. Now, you needed to work these problems out, boys and girls, to find the answers. I hope you just didn't guess. All right, now I want you to go ahead and work this page out. Pause the video, then come back when you're finished, and we'll check your work. All right, let's look at our work. It says 15, an airplane ticket to Fairbanks, Alaska will cost $958 each. Airplane tickets to Vancouver, Canada will cost $734. How much can 4 members of the Harrison family save on airfare by vacationing in Vancouver? Well, they're going to save $896. And now how do you find that? You're going to take 4 times 958. You're going to take 4 times 734. You're going to subtract the answers from the two, and you're going to come up with $896. All right. 16. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania is 2,147 miles from Salt Lake City, Utah, and 2,868 miles from Portland, Oregon. What is the difference in the round-trip distance between Philadelphia and each of the other 2 cities? Explain whether you need an estimate or an exact number. Well, you're going to need an exact number. All right, and the answer is 1,442 miles. You need an exact answer since the question asks for the difference. It's not asking for an estimate, okay? All right, let's look at 17. Joe says that the product of a 4-digit number and a 1-digit number is always a 4-digit number. Does Joe's statement make sense? Explain. No, it doesn't. When there are regrouped thousands, the product of a 4-digit number and a 1-digit number can be a 5-digit number. For example, 9,998 times 9 is going to be a 5-digit number. All right, look at 18. What number is 150 more than the product of 5 and 4,892? Well, it is 24,610. First, I have to find the product of 5 times 4,892, which is 24,460. Then I have to add 150 to it. Okay? Boys and girls, here we are, practice and homework. My class, make sure that you take a snapshot of 129 and 130 and send it to me so I can get it in the grade book. Make sure that you work each of these problems out like we've been doing. Don't take shortcuts, boys and girls. And that's the end of our lesson. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Awesome Possum Classroom 451. If you would like these worksheets, email me at awesomepossumclassroom@gmail.com. I'll send you the link. Have a great day.